right, it's a woman's heart, mind, and soul. This is Ladies Talk. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm your host, Winnie Adisa. There is this perception that people have, I don't know where it came from, that being slender is beautiful, and that is what we're going to talk about today. I have beautiful, lovely ladies with me, Irene and I'm blank. What's your name? Ida, sorry.
I'm happy.
You love your size.
And I love my size.
I appreciate. What about you, Ida?
I think it's a little different for me because I got the way I am right now after I had the baby, my baby.
So you were actually slender then after giving birth. You used to be a size?
I used to be a size 6'8".
6? Wow.
I used to be a size 8. Tell me 8.
Ulikuwa size 8?
Alafu after.
So watu walikuwa wanapita size 8.
After mtoi ndio nikaanza put on more weight. I would even walk away from you if you tell me I put on weight. First thing you tell me
after 5 years.
No. Mimi siwezi stand. I will not take it. I will walk away, but I will say and I just walk.
Yeah, like you've not seen me for like 5 years. Oh my God, you put on weight. Umenona. Because you know in Swahili it sounds bad. Gosh, umenona.
Nobody likes to hear.
Do you feel offended when someone tells you that?
Yeah, I
fat,
do.
You're fat.
But I like to they tell them
yeah, it's okay. They tell you?
They tell me, oh menona, and I ask them, nishaikuwa mkonda, like
oh, that's a nice one.
Nishaikuwa mkonda, why are you telling me now? It's no problem.
So how was it like growing up being this plus size?
My mom tells me when I was 11 months, I was admitted in hospital because
it's a little different for me because I got the way I am right now after I had the baby, my baby.
So you were actually slender then after giving birth. You used to be a size?
I used to be a size 6'8".
6? Wow.
I used to be a size 8. Tell me 8.
Ulikuwa size 8?
Alafu after.
So watu walikuwa wanapita size 8.
After mtoi ndio